Angelina Jolie turned heads at the London Film Festival on Friday, making a stylish appearance for the premiere of her latest film, Maria. But it wasn't just her outfit that had people talking, it was her company. British rapper Akala joined Jolie on the red carpet, sparking even more rumors about their potential romance. The two were seen sporting matching outfits, adding fuel to the speculation that started when Akala appeared on Jolie's Instagram just a month ago. Jolie, known for her iconic role in Maleficent, exuded confidence at the 68th BFI London Film Festival, despite ongoing legal battles with ex-husband Brad Pitt. She opted for a sophisticated all-black ensemble, a sharp blazer over a low-cut waistcoat, tailored trousers, and heeled boots. With minimal makeup, flowing hair, and gold earrings, her look was effortlessly chic. Meanwhile, Akala complemented her style with a smart casual outfit, featuring a turtleneck under a black coat, dark jeans, and sleek sneakers. Although they didn't pose together, their coordinated outfits caught everyone's attention. Akala isn't the only name romantically linked to Jolie. Broadway composer Justin Levine has also been mentioned, but repeated sightings of Akala with Jolie have certainly set the rumor mill spinning.